Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a common word related to kitchen and dining, utensil. It might seem simple, but many people mispronounce it. By the end of this video, you'll say it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is utensil. Let's break it down. First, we have you, which sounds like you, as in you are learning. Next is ten, which sounds just like the number 10. Finally, we have sill, which rhymes with sill, as in a windowsill. Now let's put it all together. Utensil. Try repeating after me. Utensil. Now a little faster. Utensil. And at full speed. Utensil. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Utensil refers to a tool or instrument used for a specific purpose, especially in the kitchen, like spoons, forks, and knives. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce utensil and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.